Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my Get Ready With Me series. In today's Get Ready With Me video, I'm super excited to create a look with my absolute favorite check pattern denim white pants. Denim never goes out of fashion. I mean, the way how new cuts, designs with prints and patterns are coming in trends, I had to style these white pants for a casual look. I'm feeling a little monochromatic today, so I'll be creating the look around blue color theme. And I got my hands on this beautiful royal blue color crop top with midriff waist and full sleeves. I absolutely love this bright royal blue color. And I got this in size small from Urbanic. So let me quickly wear it and show you guys the fit. So this is how the top looks with the pants. Since we have a lot going on down here, the check pattern on the denim are very unique and quite attention seeking. So I have chosen a very plain crop top to go along with it. Now I absolutely love this royal blue color and this crop top material. This is very stretchy and it has a skin hugging material, so it takes the shape of my body so beautifully and fits me perfectly. This is also very soft, like silky soft to touch. I absolutely love the midriff waist. You can actually tie it and design it in any number of styles. But I'm just gonna do a simple crisscross 3 times and I'm gonna tie a knot at the back. I'm just tying it simply and I'm gonna just leave it like this. What are your thoughts on this midriff waist? I really like this. The styling is amazing. For my footwear today, I am going in with my blue Nike Air Jordans. I mean, good shoes are a must for any casual look or streetwear styling. I feel like these shoes are the best for this look. I mean, white pants and Nike Air Jordans can never go wrong. I feel like, big oversized clothing like these white pants and Nike Air Jordans are like the styling mantra for sure. For your streetwear looks and casual wear, this is awesome. Because of the full sleeves and this beautiful neckline design, I will skip necklace or bangles for today and straight go in with the blue color thumb ring. So here we go. Thumb rings do bring some level of nostalgia. Because during my school days, me and my friends used to gift each other friendship bands and these kind of thumb rings. They were super fashionable and trending. Let us move on to the handbag. And I'm going for this transparent shoulder bag today for this look from the brand Street 9. And they have many streetwear and street style fashion pieces. Alright, now for the scent, I'm going to use body mist. I got my hands on these cute miniature body mist from the Plum. This is a combo of 3 miniature body mists with 3 different flavors named as Hawaiian Rumba, Vanilla Vibes, and Tripping Mimosa. I think I'm gonna use Vanilla Vibes today. These body mists are all non-alcoholic, so you can directly spray it on your body. And wow, the smell is amazing. It smells great, super refreshing, and I got a punch of vanilla on my face. A little goes a long way. This is actually pretty strong and super duper good. These are the sunglasses for today. I don't know why on camera it's looking black, but this is actually a dark blue color sunglass. It does match the color of this outfit. I do not think it's visible on the camera at all. It looks pretty blackish. But trust me guys, this is dark blue color and absolutely matching my outfit. So this is it for my Get Ready With Me today. This is my final look. I hope that you all like my look and my Get Ready With Me series, so please comment below and let me know your genuine feedback on my look and on my video. And of course, do not forget to rate this outfit out of 10. If you like Get Ready With Me routines and love fashion and looks, then please like this video and also share it with other fashion lovers. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content, and also connect with me on other social media handles. Alright then, I'm all set and ready to go out. So bye bye gorgeous people. I'll see you all in my next video.